Can we view private accounts on Facebook? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a question a lot of people are curious about. Can we actually view a private Facebook account? So let's just break it down. So when you head over to Facebook and go to one of the profiles which is private, or let's say it is locked. So let me just head over to one of the profile. This profile is not locked, but since we cannot record the screen, I'm just gonna show you with this profile right here. So when you head over to their profile and find the option to add friend and everything, but you do not find the option to view their full profile, post or photos in their profile. So the profile is locked. So the answer is no. If someone has set their Facebook account to private, you cannot see their full profile or anything unless they accept your friend request. So the only way you can view their profile is sending a friend request. So if you have not sent them a friend request, you can tap on the friends option, send friend request option. In that way, when they accept it, you will be viewing their profile. Apart from that, no, you cannot do it, as Facebook's privacy settings are designed exactly for that reason, to keep things private. So now you might see a bunch of websites or apps claiming that they can unlock private profiles. Don't fall for that. Most of them are scams. Some are full of malware as well. And that's it. The only legit way if you're trying to view someone's profile is going ahead and sending them a friend request. So you can send them a friend request, and once they accept it, you will be finding this friends tab, which means you are friends now. And when you go through their profile, you'll be finding every activity or post they have done on their profile picture, cover photo, as well as their status and everything here. And that's it. No hacks, no tricks, just respecting their privacy. So remember, if someone keeps their account private, it's their choice. The best way to connect to them is only by sending a friend request and waiting for them accept. So if this video helped clear up things, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more social media guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will be seeing you in another video.